bottles, seawater, and soil, or we can also use dirty water. So first of all, we need to make a holes on top of the bottle so we can fill up the bottles with the seawater and the soil or dirty water. Okay, now let's fill up this bottle with the seawater. Carefully insert the seawater inside the bottle. Next, we need to find a plank or something that can hold the bottles higher than the other one and leave it under the sun, like this in this picture. And this is the result after a few hours. We can see the water have evaporated, and here you can see here is still fresh water.
So what is vegetation backstill? Vegetation backstill is a water collection and purification that is designed to be used in survival situations where primary sources of water are difficult to find. The vegetation backstill relies on a well-known technique whereby the water contained in plant material is released through thermal action generated by containment in a plastic bag and exposure to sunlight. The concept is to set up several stills in a given area to maximize the potential to collect enough potable water for survival. The water collected in this manner is purified by the action of the still. So for vegetation bag still, you need firstly a clear plastic bag, since clear bag works better than colored bag as the sun can shine through the bag that allow for photosynthesis. Secondly is green leafy vegetation, rock and sunlight.
Method, we need leaves, stones, and we put the stones inside the ziplock with the leaves that we collect, pack it properly and seal it properly, and let the stones at the corner so that the water can run there, and seal it again with a rubber band or any strings that we have, and it will be like this. Pastikan kita letak ziplock ni dekat kawasan cahaya matahari. Second method, we need stones and ziplock and put it and place it on the leaves, okay, the plants, sorry, and we need to conceal it and make sure the stones at the corner so that the water from the plants can run there. So voila.
Please cut the bottom of the bottle to be like this, and then make a hole on the cap of the bottle to be like this one, and then fill the first layer of the bottle with cloth or cotton. So with the cotton, try to make it at the first layer, should be like this. Okay, for the second layer, put the charcoal that we have been yang kita dah buat dia kecil, so letak dalam botol ni. So like that. That's second layer. So for third layer, we put the sand, the fine sand, but it's difficult to find it in UAE, so we just take any sand.
After that, you need to put the coarse sand inside the bottle. And then you need to put the fine sand again in the bottle. After After that, you put the gravel. Next, you need to put cloth. This step is optional on top of the bottle. After that, you need to put the polluted water inside the bottle like this. So, we will get the distilled water like this. This water need to be boiled by using the kettle or pot or using the sunlight to kill all the microorganisms.